In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this error right here. Just a few steps. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So if you are facing this issue, it's probably because you are trying to use the GTA 5 enhanced version. So all you need to do is download the new FiveM version that supports GTA 5 enhanced. So to download this new version, you need to go to FiveM.net, which is the official FiveM website. And you are probably trying to use this FiveM version, which is the old version that we were using for GTA 5 Legacy. But to use GTA 5 Enhanced, you need to scroll down and download this new software, which is FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. Just click this button and it will download the FiveM installer. After you open this installer, you will have the install button right here. In my case, I already have this FiveM version, so it says uninstall. But for you, you just need to click install and then it will probably ask you to log into your Rockstar Games. So this way it can link your GTA account to FiveM. And after a few minutes, you should have your FiveM ready right here. You can link your CFX account or you can just close this window if you want to. And you can normally browse for servers and join to start playing. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.